NDSU is a really great college for hands-on experience and learning hands-on. If that's something you're interested, I definitely would look into it. One of the opportunities I've had here at NDSU is being part of the CoE Scale Tractor Club on campus. So every year we design a tractor from the ground up. So we'll design the frame, the whole tractor basically. All that we're given is the engine and a set of tires. And from there on, we have to do it on ourselves.
Our department does a really good job of making sure that we have different opportunities to get hands-on learning. The first one being going on field trips throughout our classes. Some of the places I've gotten to go in some of my classes are water treatment plants, concrete pipe manufacturing facilities, and other active construction sites. Another way to really get involved with some hands-on learning is to join the student competition teams. These are steel bridge, geowall, and concrete canoe.